How cloves cured my cold in 3 days plus 5 amazing health benefits. Have you ever had a cough and cold that just wouldn't go away? That was me recently. The weather was freezing, and within days I was coughing, sneezing, and struggling to sleep. I felt miserable, until my mum introduced me to something surprisingly simple: cloves. I tried her remedy, and within 3 days, my cough and cold had vanished. That experience opened my eyes to the incredible power of this tiny spice. Today, I'm not only going to share that quick story but also give you 5 amazing health benefits of cloves you probably didn't know about. Stick with me till the end, because benefit number 5 will completely surprise you. On day 1, I could barely sleep because of constant coughing. By day 2, I was exhausted. That's when my mum boiled cloves with ginger and added honey. The tea was strong but comforting. By the 3rd day, my cough and cold were gone. That made me curious. What exactly makes cloves so powerful? Let's dive into the benefits. 1. Boosts immunity. Cloves are loaded with antioxidants, especially vitamin C and compounds like eugenol. These help your body fight infections by strengthening your immune system. Think of it as giving your body soldiers to battle colds, flu, and other viral infections more effectively. That's why my recovery was so fast. My immune system got the support it needed. 2. Natural cold and cough relief. Cloves act as a natural expectorant. This means they help loosen mucus in your chest and throat, making it easier to breathe and reducing those heavy coughing fits. On top of that, eugenol has mild numbing properties, which soothe irritation and reduce the pain of a sore throat. That explains why I felt relief almost immediately after drinking clove tea. 3. Improves digestion. But cloves are not just for colds. They've been used for centuries to aid digestion. They stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which reduces gas, bloating, and indigestion. If you often feel uncomfortable after meals, adding cloves to your tea or meals can bring relief and improve your overall gut health. 4. Oral health and fresh breath. Here's something fascinating. Long before toothpaste, people used cloves for dental care. Chewing a single clove can freshen your breath instantly. The antibacterial properties also help fight gum infections, toothache, and mouth ulcers. That's why many modern toothpastes and mouthwashes still use clove oil as an ingredient. 5. Anti-inflammatory and pain relief. Cloves are a natural pain reliever. The eugenol in cloves can reduce inflammation and even numb pain. People have used clove oil for centuries to ease headaches, toothaches, and muscle pain. Imagine having a natural pain relief option right in your spice jar. That's the power of cloves. Bonus tip: improves blood circulation. Here's a bonus benefit that many people don't know: cloves improve blood circulation. They help widen blood vessels and enhance oxygen flow throughout the body. Better circulation means more energy, faster healing, and improved heart health. So when you sip that cup of clove tea, you're not just treating a cold, you're also supporting your overall vitality. Bonus tip 2: supports blood sugar control. The second bonus is especially helpful for people watching their blood sugar. Cloves can improve insulin function and help regulate blood sugar levels. That means they may reduce spikes after meals and support long-term metabolic health. This makes cloves a wonderful natural spice for those managing diabetes or looking to balance energy throughout the day. How to use cloves. Now you might be asking, how can I use cloves in daily life? Simple. Make clove tea with ginger and honey for colds. Add a clove or 2 when cooking rice, soups, or stews. Chew 1 clove to freshen breath and soothe sore throats. Or use diluted clove oil for muscle pain relief. The key is moderation. Just a few cloves are enough to enjoy their benefits. So there you have it. Cloves helped me beat my cough in just 3 days, and now you know 5 powerful benefits of this amazing spice. Sometimes the simplest remedies are the most effective. If you learned something new today, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more natural health tips. And let me know in the comments, how have you used cloves before?